Chapter 7, Coastal Plains and Islands. Gear up, Radha. How was Marina Beach last summer? Sophia. Amazing. The expansive beach was perfect for sunrise and sunset walks. At night, there had many stalls selling things like jewelry and food. It was a really enjoyable experience. India is surrounded by sea on three of its sides, with a long coastline along the peninsula bordering the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. The length of the coastline is about 6,000 kilometers and the width varies from 50 kilometers in the south to 250 kilometers in the west. The Western Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains stretch from Kerala in the south to Gujarat in the north, passing through Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra along the way. They run about 1500 kilometers north to south with widths ranging from 10 to 25 kilometers. The western coastal plain is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. The coast along Gujarat is known as the Gujarat coast. The Konkan coast extends from the Gulf of Khambat to Goa. Mumbai is the biggest commercial port on the Konkan coast. It is rich in oil deposits and many oil wells are found here. Kochi is the most important port on the Malabar coast. The Malabar coast lies to the south of the Konkan coast and extends from Goa to Kanyakumari. Lagoons are small and shallow saltwater lakes or ponds that cut themselves off from the main sea by rock or sandbars also found here. The Eastern Coastal Plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. They begin from West Bengal in the north and end at Kanyakumari in the south. The eastern coastline is wider than the western coastline. The eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts: northern Sarkars and the southern part known as the Coromandel coast. The Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers form large deltas which make the eastern coastal plain fertile. Chennai and Vishakhapatnam are the important harbors along the coast. Marina Beach is located on this coast in Chennai. The western coast and the eastern coast meet at Kanyakumari. Quick fact: the plains of the rivers Ganga and Indus are about 2,400 kilometers long and 240 to 340 kilometers broad. The Icelands. An Iceland is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The two main groups of islands are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India. Port Blair is its capital. They are two islands groups that are separated by the 10-degree channel. The northern islands are called the Andaman Islands and the southern islands are called the Nicobar Islands. There are 572 islands in the territory. Of these, 38 are permanently inhabited. The Andaman group has 325 islands and the Nicobar group has 24 islands. Only the southernmost point of these islands is called the Indira Point. Quick fact: Narcondam is a volcanic island located in the Andaman Sea. Mount Thuliar is the highest point of the Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands lie off the Malabar coast in the Arabian Sea. It is the smallest union territory of India. Kavaratti is the capital of these islands. It consists of 36 islands, out of which only 11 are inhabited. Fishing is the main occupation and coconut is the major crop grown here.